Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm starting off with showing you my pipe and drape kit set up with these weights. I am setting up for a homecoming dance, and then I'm also showing you how I set up the crossbars. And I put I use a 3-inch valance hanger, and I put that towards the back. So I'm inside the house, just showing you how I put the balloons together. So I start off with pairs of 11-inch balloons, or they might be 12-inch, but they're the Jamar balloons. Then I do 2 different sizes. I'll do like 11, 12-inch balloon with a larger balloon like a 19-inch, 18-inch, 17-inch. I'm not certain. So I press them down to give them that rounder shape. So here I am showing you how I put the clusters together. So I do clusters of 8, and I'm just wrapping around each other, intertwining the balloons. So next I'm showing you how I attach the clusters together. I'm just tying them neck to neck. And I already started this garland at home. So I just needed to do a few more clusters. So now I'm adding the rest of the drapes on. You are going to see me go through a process with these drapes, because at first I had one design in mind, then I make an adjustment, and then I realized I left a lot of my panels at home, because I was planning on using more panels than what you see here. So already you just saw me take them off and adjust. So I'm adjusting, then I took those off and I made another adjustment. So I made probably like 3 adjustments to this backdrop design. So here I am measuring. First, I know my backdrop is 7 feet wide, so I was looking for 3.5 feet. Is my half point, and so I just measured and made sure everything was the same width. I started working on my pole covers, and then I realized, like, okay, I need to put my valance on first. So here I am making my valance. As you can see, the wind is really working against me, and when I get done with this valance, I realized that it's not gonna look right. So I actually did that valance twice, and then even after doing it twice, I still got on my ladder and I adjusted the left hand side, because it just didn't look right. So here I am pleating the panels. And then if I gathered the fabric and I didn't like the way it looked, I'll just redo it. But with this one, it was a lot of trial and error, and maybe it was because of the wind just working against me. Like, I had to redo the valance, you just saw me redo that swag, but here is the end result. And I feel like it came out beautiful in spite of the challenges. I added the balloon garland off camera. I made 3 connection points. I used 260 and I connected it directly to the pole. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time. Bye.